DJI has officially unveiled its inaugural standalone parachute recovery system engineered specifically for enterprise operations. The AP-100 Parachute is meticulously tailored for the heavy-duty Matrice 400 drone, aiming to drastically lower operational hazards during mid-flight emergencies by facilitating a managed, secure descent. This safety measure arrives at a critical juncture as commercial enterprises increasingly deploy large platforms like the Matrice 400 for structural inspections, emergency public safety, geographic surveying, and logistics delivery over high-density or high-risk zones. Given the substantial mass of a drone this size, when fully loaded with specialized payloads, an unmitigated freefall presents extreme liability, and the AP-100 answers the commercial sector's growing demand for a dependable emergency backup option. Weighing in at approximately 935 grams, including its mounting hardware, the deployment mechanism maintains a lightweight profile that does not significantly encroach upon the Matrice 400's expansive 15.8 kilograms maximum takeoff weight capacity. The physical presence of the unit translates to a minimal impact on efficiency, reducing total operational flight time by only about 6 minutes under maximum payload conditions. Structurally, the system is designed to match the ruggedness of enterprise drones, boasting a compact and weather-resistant IP55 build rating that remains fully operational across a harsh thermal envelope spanning -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and at deployment elevations reaching up to 4,500 meters. The core technological highlight of this safety platform centers on its rapid response capability. According to DJI, the hardware can autonomously identify an aircraft anomaly, cut all propulsion energy via a completely isolated flight termination mechanism, and fully open the canopy structure in under 600 milliseconds. When triggered from a minimum altitude of 30 meters under stable atmospheric conditions, the canopy successfully limits the drone's terminal velocity to less than 5 meters per second, drastically minimizing the potential impact forces on the ground. For maximum redundancy, the AP-100 operates using a fully self-contained internal flight controller alongside a dedicated battery backup system capable of maintaining a charge for up to 1 full hour, integrating advanced logic safeguarding to prevent accidental or false deployments. Upon reaching the ground, the system activates built-in audiovisual beacons to simplify tracking and asset recovery. From a usability standpoint, enterprise workflows are kept intact, as operators can perform battery swaps on the drone without detaching the parachute module, and the entire assembly packs cleanly into the original factory transport case. Furthermore, integration of the AP-100 with the Matrice 400 framework is a strategic compliance asset, helping commercial pilots satisfy rigorous European Union aviation regulations, specifically aligning with EASA C5 and C6 criteria, as well as UK CAA operational standards, which will heavily accelerate approvals for flights over congested urban centres and complex beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) logistics.